Hi friends, I'm here with the new video like how to create a recurring task. Recurring task would be a very tedious for any employees because you need to keep remind yourself that you need to do this stuff every week or every year or every day. So it might possible that you forgot something or not, but Flectra introduced a new feature which is a recurring task which can remind you every day, even every hour, or even every year, or even every month. So yeah, let's understand how to do the recurring task. So this is the Flectra database. First of all, you need to jump to the projects. To develop a recurring task, you need to go to the configuration settings. Make sure you enable this option, a recurring task, from the task management. Otherwise, Flectra will not allow you to do a recurring task in the project management. So I have already clicked it before start of the video. So let's jump back to the projects. One more thing, if you are putting up or any click to the recurring task, it will automatically assign to every project which you have in your database. So let's just go to edit section to check it out whether it is enabled it or not. You can go to the settings. Here you can see that the recurring task will be enabled. Let's jump to the task. So if you have a planning and budget every month or every week or every day, then you can do every day, or Flectra will remind you on every weekly basis. So let's understand how to do it. To go to the planning and budget, here you can see that the recurrent option will be available. So just need to click it. You can see that automatically recurrence will showing up here. You need to click it on that. Now here you can decide whether you want to repeat every week or every day or every year, or either, and you can also decide the day as well. So let's just go with the week only. So if you want to remind yourself one task which needs to be submitted on Wednesday, or which needs to be submitted on every Friday, then you can set it that every Thursday the Flectra will remind you that you need to do the planning and budget. So you need to click it on that, and you can set it up here whether you want it forever or whether you want a number of repetition. Let's just keep it forever. So here you can see that on which date it will remind you. Let's just save it. You can see that one smart button showing up here. It shows what recurring task you have. Just click it on that. You can see that the planning and budgeting, research and development hours would be spent 44, progress would be 100%. So this is how it will show you everything. This is how the recurring task will be done by the Flectra. This is all I have for today. Thank you very much.